Hi again, my name is Vladimir Gortsev, and in this video I am going to tell you about an important filter for the trading strategy with the Bollinger Bands indicator. I described in detail and demonstrated this trading strategy in a special video. You can see the link to this video in the top right corner now. If you missed the video about this trading system, you'd better go ahead and watch it now, and then you can return to this recording. So, in the previous video I mentioned an important filter that filters out the signals that do not fit into our trading. It's time to give it close attention. I will show it using the example of the pocket option trading platform, as its trading conditions are the best match for this strategy. If any questions arise about the Bollinger Band strategy, please put them in the comments section. I do my best to reply to all your questions. So, the main filter of the trading system consists in ignoring entry signals when the market price is in a relatively narrow channel, which is built on the price chart by the Bollinger Bands indicator. Let me remind you that the indicator settings should be changed to 25 and 3. The channel width is estimated visually, that is, we compare the current channel width with the width that we saw earlier on the chart. Now I am changing the scale of the chart to see how wide the channel was before. As we can see, at the moment, the channel is not the narrowest on the screen. This means that if the price now accelerates and reaches the border of the Bollinger Bands indicator, then we can make a trade according to the rules of the strategy. The goal of the filter is to reject dubious market situations, not to allow us to enter the market, even if the market price has broken through the band. Let's see the example. When the price fluctuates in a very narrow range, I changed the scale using the mouse wheel to see more history of the price chart. We see that the current channel is really narrow compared to what was on the chart earlier. Now the price is in a relatively narrow channel and it is not difficult for it to reach the borders of the Bollinger Band. It is not advisable to enter the market in such conditions. It is better to switch to the price charts of other currency pairs and see how things stand there. Another sign of a narrow channel that does not allow us to make a trade is the movement of both Bollinger Bands towards each other, as you can see on the screen now. Yes, there are situations on the charts when the price channel is wide and the bands begin to move towards each other. Such situations can be safely ignored, because the channel is wide. It can be clearly noted if you change the scale of the chart and see what was on it earlier. Then we do not take into account the movement of the bands towards each other. We are talking about relatively narrow sections on the chart, where we have doubts about the width of the channel, whether it is justified to enter the market or not. In this case, you can pay attention to the movement of Bollinger Bands. We need the market to take an effort to reach the price of the channel border, and then we can make trades. If the price is stuck in a relatively narrow channel, then even a small movement upwards or downwards can lead to a breakout of the channel border. Quite often, breaking through the Bollinger Band from a narrow channel, the price continues to move towards the breakout for a long time, as you can see on the chart now. The filter protects us from these very situations. It does not allow us to make a trade and encounter a problem. In addition, the time interval during which the strategy can be applied acts as an additional filter, as I talked about in the video about this trading system. This measure also reduces the number of tricky market situations. Of course, it is impossible to filter out all difficult cases, but if we are faced with a relatively strong price movement that gives us headache, then a money management system with a mechanism for changing expiration within a series of transactions comes to the rescue. All the details about these systems and techniques are available in my free course. I will share a link to it in the description of this video. This filter significantly reduces the number of low-quality entries for the strategy with the Bollinger Bands indicator. In the top right corner now, you can see a link to the video with a selection of market situations inadequate for making trades. There I collected examples of the narrowing channel and added my comments for each individual case. This information should help you better understand how the filter works and learn how to use it yourself to improve your trading efficiency. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I wish you easy and profitable trades. Bye.